Tourist Visa Guide. As of my last update in September 2021, applying for a Schengen tourist visa from India involves several steps. The Schengen visa allows you to visit multiple countries within the Schengen area, which includes most European Union countries. Please note that visa requirements and procedures might change, so it's essential to visit the official website of the respective Schengen country's embassy or consulate in India for the most up-to-date information. Here's a general step-by-step guide. 1. Determine your main destination. Identify the Schengen country where you plan to spend the most time or your first point of entry if you're visiting multiple countries. This will determine which country's embassy, consulate you should apply through. 2. Check visa requirements. Visit the website of the embassy or consulate of the Schengen country where you are applying. Check the visa requirements, document checklist, and any specific guidelines provided. 3. Complete visa application form. Fill out the Schengen visa application form. You can usually find this form on the embassy or consulate's website. Complete it accurately and legibly. 4. Gather required documents. Valid passport with at least 3 months validity beyond your intended stay. Passport-sized photos that meet Schengen visa photo requirements. Proof of travel itinerary, including flight reservations and hotel bookings. Proof of financial means, such as bank statements, to cover your expenses during your stay. Travel insurance that covers medical expenses and repatriation for the entire Schengen area with a minimum coverage of €30,000. Proof of ties to India, demonstrating your intention to return after your visit. Employment letter, property documents, etc. Visa application fee receipt. Any additional documents requested by the specific Schengen country you are applying to. 5. Book an appointment. Many Schengen countries require you to schedule an appointment to submit your application and documents. Check the embassy, consulate's website for instructions on how to book an appointment. 6. Attend visa interview and submit documents. On the scheduled date, attend the visa interview at the embassy or consulate. Submit all required documents and the visa application form. Answer any questions posed by the consular officer about your travel plans, intentions, and ties to India. 7. Pay visa fee. Pay the Schengen visa fee, which varies depending on the country and your nationality. Keep the payment receipt for your records. 8. Biometric data collection. Depending on the country you are applying to, you might need to provide biometric data, fingerprints and photograph, during your visa appointment. 9. Wait for visa processing. After submitting your application, you'll need to wait for the processing time, which can vary. Some countries might take several weeks to process the visa. 10. Collect passport with visa. Once your visa is approved, you'll receive your passport with the visa stamp. Check the visa details for accuracy before traveling. Remember, each Schengen country's embassy or consulate might have slight variations in the application process, requirements, and processing times. Always refer to the official website of the specific embassy or consulate for the most accurate and up-to-date information before starting your application process.